revolutionizing numerous industries and significantly impacting our daily lives. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make intelligent decisions, AI is reshaping the way we work, communicate, and interact with technology. In this, AI has found applications across diverse fields, revolutionizing industries and enhancing human capabilities. In healthcare, AI-powered systems can analyze medical images, predict disease outcomes, and assist in precision medicine, leading to more accurate diagnoses and improved patient care. In finance, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data, detect fraudulent activities, and provide personalized investment advice. AI-powered virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have become integral parts of our lives, simplifying tasks and providing information on demand. The future of AI technology holds immense possibilities. As AI continues to advance, it has the potential to transform industries, improve healthcare outcomes, enhance cybersecurity,